So this is Euro Pound analysis for Thursday, the 28th of September. Now, let's see what's happened here on the Euro Pound. Euro Pound, I've mentioned it before, I'll mention it again. Currently, we are in a tight range. We are trending to the downside in this tight range, but there is not a lot of volatility, and a lot of the ATRs have contracted somewhat on this currency pair. Let's just have a look at the higher time frame. Let's just have a look at, say, a 4 hour and see. Yeah, you can see there, we've got the ATR indicator down here at the bottom. From, say, the 22nd, we've come down quite a bit in terms of ATR. It's obvious from the hourly, you can see it, but yeah, you can just have a look at the charts. Candles, small bodies. We're in a bit indecisive, even though we're trending down slowly. Seems the market is does appear to be waiting for some sort of catalyst to provide some direction. Now, I'm going to go out to the hourly, not the hourly, the monthly, just to give some perspective here. Now, on the monthly chart, currently, as you can see, that big red candle there, that is currently September. It is some would term it an engulfing candle. We've not got much of a wick to the upside on this candle, considering it opened at, say, 92.10. It's 92.099, but just say 92.10. The actual height, the highest this candle actually traded was 92.26, so 16 pips. As you've seen, it's pulled back well over 400 pips. Now, like I was saying, it is a pretty engulfing candle, which does suggest strong bearish momentum. The candle has not closed yet, but we are near the end of the month, as we are on the we are currently the 28th of the month. Weekly time frame. Where's our weekly pivot? Weekly pivot's at 88.20, so below which I will be prioritizing bearish signals, and we are trading quite a bit below that. So if I go back down to the hourly time frame, 88.20 remains above us. Above us also is 87.83, which acted as support. It has appeared to have held as resistance on, it does appear to be 3 occasions. We have had a breach, but the fact that the thing about breaches of levels is, if the level's breached and the next immediate candle is a bearish candle taking price below and closing below that level, I'd say you can't really read much into the breach of the level, because it wasn't held. It didn't look like holding, and we didn't even have a consolidation in and around the level. So, yep, the sellers come back into the market after the level was breached by the bulls. So we've had over here, we've had this was on the 26th, we've broken above it, closed above it, and the next immediate candle sold below it. And again here on the 27th, we've closed above it, and the very next candle closed below it. We've had a few tests here again on the 27th from the other side, say the candle which opened at 5 p.m. tested it, but sold back down. Currently price is in a consolidation below it. Price has been coming down slowly. Now, if we do break and hold to the upside, 87.83, we do have a fair bit of resistance to the upside. We now have this 200 period moving average. We also have the weekly open at 88.20, previous resistance at 88.51, and the most recent high, I'd say, being 89. A run of these levels, we should see this moving average tested. Currently, let's just say 89.50 for a run up to 90.24. Now, as we are slowly trending downwards, even though we do appear to wait for a catalyst, the level below we're looking at is 86.63. That is quite a bit away, and it's not likely to be hit this week. but it does remain in our it does appear in our windscreen going forward, not in our rear view. And so, what's my overall view on Euro Pound? My overall view on Euro Pound is a continuation of the primary trend to the downside, particularly if we continue to reject, or we get a stronger rejection from 87.83. If we do have constant retests of that level, we might see something similar to what happened here with the earlier, where we've had retests of the 87.83 before eventually broke. Retests of the 87.83 from the other side with bullish price action could potentially see a break and a move upwards. But overall, in light of the engulfing candle forming on the monthly time frame, the fact that we're trading quite a bit below where price has opened on the week, I do expect continuation to the downside, even though we might not get to my midterm target of 86.63 this week. That's where I expect price to go, unless there is a fundamental turnaround. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.